Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a Pikachu puppet.
Let's start drawing.
Let's draw the shape of Pikachu very quickly. I start with the head, ears, then the body like this, and his arms. His 2 legs. Finally, the tail. Now let's divide everything with lines like this. And I draw small circles in all the lanes. Excellent!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
To color, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red here, like this. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, dark green, light blue, a little bit of dark blue, light purple, purple, and pink, fuchsia, mint, cream. Amazing!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.